What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. Carolyn got me an amazing Christmas gift. It is a safe that you can put a with an extra clip in, or if you want to take out the actual holder, you can put whatever you want in it. It's going to use biometrics, and it also has a backup pin in case it's not reading your fingerprints for whatever reason. Really cool idea, guys. It's spring loaded, so as soon as you unlock it, it opens up. So that's going to be so you can get to it quickly, and if you have somebody around that shouldn't have access to the firearm, you're all set there. It also has mounting screws that come with it, so you're going to be able to screw it into a nightstand, whatever it is that you want to secure the safe to. That's fine and dandy. You just want to make sure you secure it so somebody can't just pick it up and run off. So guys, we're going to get into this. We're going to do a quick unboxing. I'm going to show you how I set it up, and then I'm going to show you what this thing looks like. Then you can decide for yourself if you would like to purchase this item or not. I'll have an affiliate link for it down below. As always, it greatly helps the channel out and costs you zilch nada zero. Definitely helps the channel out, guys. So we're going to get down and unbox this thing. Let's go. We are here in front of the RPNB. I do believe this model is called the Carbon Night. Sleek design that blends into your environment. Very heavy box and nice presentation. Not a lot of room to work with here. And you can see the packaging. It's pretty nice. We have the mounting device right here, where this is like a steel or a carbon fiber steel. And it feels very sturdy, not bendable, guys. Instructions and some hardware. Okay. And we have the safe itself, and I'm going to need to make a little more room here, but this is actually what it looks like. And is that going to be the batteries? Okay, so the batteries are going to go right there. That's interesting. It is called the Carbon Night, but I see this is plastic right here. Just grab a little napkin. There's some machining oil on there still. We have 1, 2, 3 little things here. It looks like it's missing one. Sleek design that bends to your environment. Battery requirement, customer service, okay. And get the instruction manual. We've got accessories and accessories. They both say accessories, so spare set of keys and another screw, and these are mounting screws. As you can see, there is a key somewhere, so I'm guessing it's under, yep, right there. We'll stick the key in like so. Okay, as you can see, it's like a spring-loaded mechanism, so when you open it like so, it's gonna pop open. Just hold the program buttons, which should be under here, right here. Okay. Okay, so that fingerprint seemed to work. Okay, so those fingerprints seem to be working. Okay. Oh, fairly easy setup. Okay, so everything fits rather nice. So everything seems to be working pretty well, so that's great. It's a tight fit in there, so you want to make sure you get a good grip on it. But other than that, works pretty good. Okay guys, so we took a look at the RPNB Biometric Nightstand Gun Safe. Definitely a lot to roll off the tongue there, difficult to remember. This thing works pretty well, guys. I was pretty amazed by this, and I think it looks really cool. The only question I have is battery life. If it does die, you're gonna have to use the key, but you do have that backup key, so you wanna keep that very safe. The design of this is very sturdy, guys. I really love the design of this. Slides out really cool. This thing reminds me of something out of a secret agent movie, guys. It's really cool, and it really gives you access to your firearm very quickly. And the biometric fingerprint reading works excellent. I would say it's not perfect. There are a few times you can get it wrong, or if you're trying to move very quickly. But if you do place your thumb on there properly, it does open up really easily, guys. I'm really excited to have this in my house. It definitely makes me feel pretty safe, guys. So I don't cover stuff like this often, but I thought it was a pretty cool piece of tech, guys. My name's Greg. I do tech videos in 4K, and I upload as frequently as I possibly can. So guys, drop it down below what you think about the safe in the video. Comments are greatly appreciated. Don't forget to slap a like and subscribe if this is your first time here. Greatly helps the channel out. And if you'd like to purchase the product reviewed, the RPNB gun safe, there'll be a link for it down below to Amazon. That is an affiliate link. I just have to tell you guys that it does not cost you anything, but it does help support the channel. So until next time, I'm out.